Hello students, I am Mary here. Welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 9 chapter 2 polynomials. From there exercise 2.5 question 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. So what they are asking us, expand the given polynomial what we have here with suitable identities. So I already explained to you there are some 8 identities are given to you in your textbook. So we have to find out which is the suitable identity and then you have to expand that. So now you see here you have x, you have y, you have z and the whole square is there. So which identity will suit here? You have x, y, z, all three are there, whole square. So this is not the one, neither this will suit nor this will. Now you look at this, you have x, y, z and the whole square. So this identity will suit this question. So let's take this identity. In fact, in this question 4, all the questions, all the 6 parts are there. All the 6 parts will have the same identity because the other ones are cube one. So this is not the one. So this is the identity which suits all the parts in this question. So quickly write down this identity. So these identities you have to learn by heart. So this is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So the expansion of this is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this to remember also is easy. Xyz whole square. So x square plus y square plus z square you write down. Then afterwards 2xy, then 2yz, then 2zx. That is what written here. So now, this question is in this form. So we have to make this question in expansion. This way we have to write down and solve the sum. So let's do quickly. And then before that, better always you write down the value of x. The value of x is what here? X is there. Then the value of y is given to us 2y. And then the value of z is 4z. So this you have to remember. So value of x, y value is 2y, z value is 4z. So if you know, so wherever x is there, we have to put x. Wherever y is there, y value. Wherever z is there, z value we have to put. That's it. So let's begin to do now. In the place of x square, in the place of x, what is there? X is there. So let's write down x. Then the square plus in the place of y, what is there? 2y. So 2y. And then the whole square. Then plus. In the place of z what we have? 4z. So 4z whole square. Plus. Now 2 we write as it is. Now x is what? X is x only. Then y is what? Y is 2y. So now plus. Same way. Now for 2yz. 2 into y we have 2y. So 2y. Then z what we have? Z is 4z. 4z. Now this plus. Write down. Then 2 into z. Z is 4z. Into x is x only. So wherever x, y, z, x, y, y, z, wherever this is there, you have to put this value, what is given to us in the question. So now you solve it. So x square will remain as it is, plus 2y square will become, 2 square will be 4. So 4y square, plus, now 4 square will be 16z square. Then plus. Now 2 into x, 2x into 2. So 2 2's will be 4. So 4xy. Now plus. Now 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. 4 into 4 16. So 16 we have yz plus here 2 4s are 8. 8 then zx. Now what else? Can we do anything else now? We have 4y square, z square, this is xy, this is yz, this is zx. So now more than this, I don't think we can reduce this because all are different categories. Nothing we can plus with anybody because this is x, this is y, this is z, and this is xy. So xy we cannot plus with anything here. This is yz. Yz also we can't plus with anyone. Zx also we can't plus with anyone. So then this will remains our answer. So this is our answer. So now let's go for the second one. So see the second one. Second also you have x, y, z whole square. So this also suits this identity only, the same identity that we have used here. In fact, this sum has all the identities same. So same way we have to write down the value of x, y, z. So x is in the place of x we have 2x. In the place of y we have minus y. In the place of z we have z. So that's what I have written here. So in the place of y we have minus y. So I wrote down all the values. Now let's quickly solve this. So in the place of x square what we have? 2x we have. So square. Plus in the place of y we have minus y. So minus y square. Plus in the place of z we have z only. So z square. Plus now 2 into x is what? 2x. Then y is minus. So now plus. Again this 2 we write as it is. Now y, in the place of y we have minus y, and in the place of z we have z. Then plus in the place of 2 we'll write 2, z is z only, and in the place of x we have 2x. So let's solve now. 2x square will be 2 square will be 4, and then x square. Then now plus into minus will become minus y square. Now this will remain plus z square. Now 2 2s are 4. Then 4 into minus y will become minus. So here anyway I'll write down plus here. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 into minus y will become 2. It will give us minus here because here minus is there. So we'll get minus, then 2 2s are 4, then xy. Now plus, same way here also minus is there, so it will give us minus 2yz. Now plus we'll write as it is. Now 2 2s are 4, then zx. So let's write down one more step. 4x square minus y square plus z square plus into minus minus 4xy plus into minus minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now is there anything that we can plus or minus it? Just you see, is there possibility of reducing? So 4x square minus y, we have minus y square minus xy 2yz. So that's it. So we cannot change this. One mistake is there, sorry. Here minus y square is there. So minus into minus will become plus. So this correction, please note the correction. Minus 2 times. So minus y into minus y. So minus minus will get cancelled. So this will become plus here. So this will become plus. So then more than this we cannot reduce. So that's it. So that's our answer. That's it. The remaining another 2 part we'll see in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.